What up, Theta homies? It's your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Theta wallet address for any kind of Theta, T-Fuel, TNT20 donation. So now diving into everything like we normally do, starting off on Twitter, we're going to see that one of the more popular NFTs on Theta Network associated with Open Theta is the Theta Bulls. So looking at the original NFT project created to celebrate the Theta community as Theta ecosystem leaps into global adoption, here's their Discord, going onto their website because they are one of the most recent NFTs that have incorporated a live game with their NFTs. So we're definitely going to look into that along with their website. Going onto the website, you do see that it's very updated in terms of in comparison to what I did before about 5 months ago if you checked out that video. So scrolling down a little bit, if you haven't seen this, we'll definitely dive into it a little more. So scrolling down, you can see that there is now a shop. So there's about 60,000, 40,000, 25,000 VP. I believe this is victory points associated with these type of computers. I believe this is a phone, the Samsung Ultra, and then also a DJI mini drone. I also have this one actually, but I bought this on Amazon. But nonetheless, there's also some custom NFTs, especially these Thetables. Scrolling down a little bit more, I'll definitely get into more details on how to get victory points. Here's a little bit more of the artwork in terms of the NFTs that they have released. Scrolling down a little bit more, here is their roadmap. I have gone over the roadmap previously on the previous video, so here's just a little snippet of what this actually is. So if you do want to take a quick pause, here you go. I'll go through it slowly. So here's phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and 4. I can be able to fit on the same page. So definitely take a quick pause if you definitely want to look over those. Scrolling a little bit more, if you do want to meet the team, we also have Dr. Theta. I'll hover over this. Seeing that known for wide across the Thetaverse, Dr. Theta has been a staple in the Theta community for over a year across many projects and operates one of Theta community run one-click delegation guardian nodes and edge nodes for all to stake to. Going on to this next individual, so we have the art content creator Asmodeus, and then you have Boss, head of marketing, and you also have SC from the UK, lead artist. So taking a look over his little type of bio, seeing heavily invested in Theta since early 2018. Asmodeus was an early adopter and has helped many people find their way into the Theta blockchain. He has been involved with helping promote smaller projects on Theta ecosystem and looks forward to seeing Theta continue their growth. Going on to Boz. Boz has been invested in the crypto since 2020. He loves to help Theta community grow in any way he can and spends his days researching anything crypto related. Boz has an expert level marketing background and brings his marketing experience to the table for Theta Bulls. Going on to SC, the lead artist, over 7 years of experience with illustration, concept art, and game design, 3D asset production, and digital illustration. SC is an amazing NFT artist and a huge asset to the Theta Bulls team. That is the team, as you can tell here, scrolling all the way up to the top. You have the play now button where you can play the game, and then you can also go to shop. This is where we just were, and then when you click on these tabs, it basically goes down through the page that I just showed you. Going on to a little setup in terms of actually buying these NFTs. Here's a little tutorial video. The one that I did not really like, it's basically a way of how to like buy your first NFT on Open Theta. The one thing I don't like about this, you are not able to skip through. You are able to change the speed on the video, but nonetheless, I do like skipping around the videos, especially if I'm somewhat aware. So maybe just a little criticism on my point right there. And then you also do have a ranking system, so we'll go over that last. When you go over the play now button, you also go on here to the bullpen. It does take a minute to like load in terms of also that loading as well as connecting your MetaMask wallet. So I already connected it, save you guys the trouble. In order to check out everything, I did turn the volume down on this because it's a lot easier for you guys to see and hear what I'm saying. So you do have the different type of game modes. You have the player versus computer, just where you can grab normal points. PvP standards like bull for bull, so when you play with another user you can get their bull. And then you do PvP hardcore, that's how you get your victory points. So for example, if you and another friend play, that winner wins the victory points, and I believe that bull that is lost gets burnt overall, so you cannot use that bull anymore. And then that is what hardcore mode is. I'll definitely throw up maybe some type of image that definitely says that also, so it's a lot easier for you guys to conceptualize and see that for yourselves. So the one thing that's really cool, if you really want to connect everything, you do have a leaderboard in terms of normal points, and then you also have victory points. I believe I did try this out just like a demo, so you just scroll down and you can see that I'm right here with 1,000 normal points, and then the victory points I believe looks like 24,000. So that's Hust Cut Trees. So yeah, there's that individual. And then when you want to connect your Thetables, you do click on this over here, you connect your MetaMask wallet, and then it takes a second, you can add these bulls. It shows you the attributes and the NFT ID, and then this is the address. So this is what you're going to be sending it to, I believe, because my address is a little different than that. So looking here is right there. That's how you can send and add your Thetables. And then I only have one, as you can tell right here. That's just one to try. And then you can also withdraw it. If it may take a second, maybe for your NFT to be actually added on to this type of game, you can refresh the page right here, and then you can also buy more NFTs that will lead you to open Theta. Going over here, I believe that is all. You do have the game modes like I already showed you, and then here is the different type of settings for the sounds for the game, as well as the background settings. Going on to the actual rarity chart, in case you want to check out the bulls that you do have. So as you can tell, you can already tell that it's burned, meaning that in this hardcore mode that it was lost during that type of fight. And then you do have like the other ones that are also available. So it's kind of cool that they updated in terms of the burned NFTs for the Thetables. So it's really nice to see that it's constantly being updated in terms of the game altogether, and really looking forward to more updates along with the game also. What I really like about this is there's continuous updates and conversation on the Discord. So like I said earlier in the video, if you're really looking for more Theta news, updates, NFTs, and any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit the like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I posted in this video, as well as checking my Theta wall address for any kind of Theta, T-Fuel, TNT 20 donations, and really looking to spreading more NFT and news, especially with Theta Network for you guys. So really looking forward to the next one. Thank you guys if you are new to the channel. For my OG viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back again. But really looking forward on to the next one. But you guys know how it is. It's your boy Justin Steady, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.